Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Greg. I'm going to go over the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin, and more specifically, Rencoin. Someone on my YouTube channel over here had mentioned Rencoin, so I decided to take a look at this coin. Um, Now, I still think Bitcoin has upside, guys. You can see this move that it made up came all the way back down there in the RSI. This is the 2-hour chart, so be aware of that is lower time frame chart. But I'm still kind of expecting Bitcoin to maybe do something like this, guys. Let's say that was the end of it and get back up there to 17.3, 17.5. And you can't rule out a flat either. It could do this. It could do a flat on the way up there, guys, to 18.3. Okay. Um, if Bitcoin does do this, okay, if Bitcoin is going to make a move, let's say you're looking for some trades, this would be very, very nice if you're in some trades, comes back down, and Bitcoin is going to make a move up there to those areas. This area right here is going to be a really good area to do a short because I really think Bitcoin is going to do that right back down there, guys. Okay. So those still expecting that upside move for the Bitcoin, guys. I am, and we shall see. We shall see. But I'm going to go over Ren coin or Ren token with you, going over the technicals. And there's some things that look decent, pretty decent with Ren coin. And I just show you this right here. So basic trading, touch, touch. This is on logarithmic. Touch, touch over here. It did a touch here. These long-term trends really, really work, guys. You could enter it in there. Bam. You take it off log. You do another one. You check the trend right now with Ren coin. And you can see if you just do it like, you know, you don't want to keep the shadows in there or the wicks right there. And you can see, boom, it went up onto that. So does it have another leg this way? It could. Now going over Bitcoin on this whole thing right here, guys, you can see, I just want to go over this and relate this to Rencoin. How this is going to break down. This is a three-way move. There's a three-way move in here, okay? It's either here or this is the three-way move. Let me remove that for the time being, okay? So you have a three-way move here, three-way move up, and then a three-way move down. So there's going to be another one over here in this area. So if Bitcoin gets up high, like I suspect it could do that, then more than likely this is going to end up being a three-way move. And this is the area I'd be checking it out. So let me go out to a weekly. I'm going to show you something here with Bitcoin. All right. This area off a log, right into that trend line, kind of like Rencoin, guys. Like right in that area, like candle bodies, and it comes right over. So more time, let's say January. Let me take that off of there for the time being. January time frame, 12, 13, 14,000 right in that area, guys, is what I'm going to suspect. Put it on log now. Let me check it out. Right in that area, guys. Bam. And then back down to here to this area for Bitcoin is what I'm going to be guessing. So I just relate to Rencoin. So this right here was another really good entry because you had bullish divergence and it came down, touched that trend. Let me go back to Rencoin. All right. I've checked this out. Impulsive move, back down, wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It went up, and then this whole section over here. So the deal is did it complete something there? And it could have, guys, if you check it. And, 1 point, it could have another swing down, 1.618 into these areas. Let me put this on the trend. So you see on logarithmic, it came through there, bounced there. So this is the area to check that out. Here's what I do with the Rencoin, guys. Okay, so a three-wave WXY back down to there. Is it done? So you have a swing here, back up, and a swing back down. Go to a 4-hour. So here's the smaller version. So you have a 5. You can see the divergence, 3-wave, and a 5. Okay. So this looks pretty decent. And you pulled a fibs with that whole wick. Where it end right there. And, more or less a 1-to-1 in that area. Okay. So that looks pretty good. And you could, you would be saying that this could be your A, your B, and your three-wave swing. Okay. Is it going up to do another one? Is going to be the question. Now, here's the deal down here in this area. This is this is what you're going to be playing this off of. This price right here, that low, 0.07. What is that? Yeah, 0.069 more or less. Here's the issue with it. Completed here. So this is the thing you want to be aware of with this coin. It could be a trick. A, B, C. And you can see it's in 2.618. It might not be done, and it might go up to here. Okay? So you want to see what this is going to do on the correction. I'm saying that's a potential. There's a high probability this could be an ABC just because of how it ended here in this wave, 3, 3, 5. And it's probably not done. It's heading up to those areas up there, guys, more than likely. If not, you want to see where this is going to correct to when Bitcoin is going to be doing this area for a longer term play on Rencoin. Okay. If that's the case, if it's not done, it could have another swing. So A, B, and then maybe this over here be a C to break those lows. But you'll be playing it right off these lows, and you want to see where it's going to correct to if it gets up here, if it's going to do a swing back down like that, guys. Okay? And it could be, if Bitcoin's going to say go up a little bit more and then go back down to say 14,000 or something like that, this could be a real aggressive wave. Probably won't even be like that. Probably be like a flat, like that, and whiz back down on a C wave. So that's what I'd be checking out with Rencoin. It's pretty straightforward. Obviously, you don't want to enter into anything right now unless you want to do a short-term trade on that fourth wave and try to get into the fifth wave. Personally, I wouldn't do it. Risk to reward ratio is just not there. Not with this asset, in my opinion. So that's what I'd be checking. This is a concern to me. This is 3, 3, 5 and up, but it could be done. You cannot rule that out. The good news is that if you take it off of log for Rencoin, I think I showed you guys this, is that right on that trend, just like so. That could have been it. You really don't want to see candle bodies below here on Rencoin. So that could have been it. It could have been enough of a thrust up where it's now it can stay above this trend. So Bitcoin will come back down, finish what it needs to finish, and it'll just come back down here on this trend, and it could be getting out of there. That's what I'd be paying attention to with this coin, guys. Otherwise, it just seems a little bit out of place. Like this was a little bit extra, on log. If you have it like so, like this is a little bit extra, could be a throw under type move on a logarithmic. They do happen on these types of moves where a wave will go underneath the trend for a period of time and then pop back up in there and then goes bullish again. That can happen, guys. And then you have a couple long-term options with this coin. So you can see, like, I would say it's probably something like this, something like that, possibly, with a throw over right there. And it could be something along these lines. So this is just a couple options, and then your 4, and then back up onto a 5, whenever that would be. So say January, February, and it could be doing a wave like that. Or there might be this option where it's this is your A, your B, a C, and it'll be doing one over here. Okay. So 3-wave swing back over here, your A, your B, and your C. Something like that, guys. Let me move it over here like this. Okay. So January area, checking it out. If you made it all the way to the end, do me a huge favor, drop a like, hit the subscribe button. Peace.